Genuine OEM replacement part. Vita-Mix has a full line of award-winning professional blenders for commercial applications. Genuine OEM provides safety, reliability, and optimal performance. Approved by original equipment manufacturer, OEM. Intended only for designed and specified use. The Vita-Mix 000891 drive socket kit is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, replacement part. Vita-Mix has a full line of award-winning professional blenders for commercial applications. Approved by original equipment manufacturer, OEM, and intended only for designed and specified use. Top reviews from the United States. Good for preventative maintenance. The manufacturer recommends replacing these after a few years. We waited 12. You can tell the difference in blending power and torque immediately. It was a little tricky to line up the hex screw, but it was installed and blending in 10 minutes.